Hi everyone, it's week 12, our final week in our Quilt-A-Block series 1 with Lori. And in this series, we had a variety of floral designs, and you're seeing me stitch one of them once again in our 4x4 hoop size. I hope you have enjoyed this series and you've been able to grab a lot of these designs each week when they were available for free. If you missed out on any of them, they're still purchasable over on my website. So now you can head over to my website and pick up this week's free design. I'll link my website down in the description and another tutorial you can watch just in case you want to see how to place this block together. Enjoy!